And please like and subscribe, as it really helps with the recommendation algorithm. Alright guys, let's get right to it. This is a near final design for my next build. What do you guys think? The design is completely without screws and glue and using only interlocking joinery. The tapered cabinet, 圆角柜, translated literally means rounded corner cabinet, was a staple in traditional Ming Chinese furniture. These cabinets came in all shapes and sizes and have many design variations. They were usually found in bedrooms and studies, and usually in pairs. The defining traits they all shared were the symmetrically splayed corner posts, so-called 8-way splay, and the rounded outside corners. Due to the splay of the posts, the doors were self-closing, but will stay open once past the 90-degree point. The taper is only 1.2 degrees, but packs a huge visual effect and aids stability. It can fill the vertical spaces of a small room without overpowering it. The challenges with modeling this in CAD was dealing with all the angles. Very few of the joints were at exact 90 degrees, thus a lot of the construction geometry were utilized. Traditionally, there's just a single set of double doors covering the entire front. There might be drawers inside once you open the doors. However, I designed mine with drawers on the outside and added upper and lower doors. The rationale was that the drawers would be more useful as they can be accessed more quickly. And I designed mine with CNC fabrication in mind. This cabinet measures 36 inches high by 30 inches wide by 14 inches deep. It's suitable to be placed on a large desk or table or on the floor. The top is attached with the plum blossom tenon to lock everything together. The back sides and shelves all use sliding dovetail battens along with frame and panels for strength and rigidity. There were 7 panels and 14 battens per cabinet, not counting drawer bottoms and door panels. Next, I will be developing the tooling and generate the toolpaths. Stay tuned.